A warning for parents tonight. An infant formula is being recalled after more than a dozen children have been hospitalized with botulism.
Fox 13's Alejandro Guzman tells what you need to know and why a local food safety attorney says this one hits differently.
At local stores, ByHeart baby formula is still on the shelves. Fox 13 checked the cans, finding Best By dates for November and January with no sign of the recall month of December. On their website, ByHeart is warning parents of its voluntary recall after unopened cans of formula tested positive for botulism. Over the weekend, the FDA and the CDC confirmed reports of a botulism outbreak. At least 83 cases of infant botulism have been reported since August of 2025. One of those cases reported in Washington, where the child had to be hospitalized.
Unfortunately, it's not just a recall. There are 13 infants sickened, most likely all still in the hospital.
So far, no deaths have been reported, but the CDC says illnesses started from mid-August until November in infants just 16 days to under 6 months old.
It's pretty clear that, the FDA and CDC, in a sense, have their culprit.
Botulism is rare, but a very serious illness, as symptoms can develop up to 7 weeks after feeding infants ByHeart baby formula.
What I don't know is just how much, larger the outbreak will go.
The CDC urges parents to throw away the formula or return it to the store you bought it from, and to rush to the hospital if your infant has poor feeding, loss of head control, or floppy baby syndrome, weak muscles. Marler says this isn't ByHeart's first run with regulators.
They had a recall in 2022 linked to Coronabacter, which is also a deadly pathogen that can be found in infant formula. And they also had a warning letter for producing food under insanitary conditions.
The Washington State Department of Health says WIC users are not affected since ByHeart is not one of their approved brands. Alejandro Guzman, Fox 13 News.